Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video. If you have a Kia Optima and you're trying to find the fuse, the auxiliary fuse, guys, stay with us. We will explain where it's located and we will explain how to test the fuses, guys. Even if you're replacing the fuse with a new one, always test them. We will explain why. Make sure to stay until the end. These guys should work on Kia Optima, guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima, guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics, guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here. Check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So, looking at it, guys, okay, this is the engine compartment of that Kia Optima. Right here, guys, we have one fuse box, one tap here, one there, squish, pull straight up. On the back side of the fuse box, you will see, actually, guys, you will see the fuses printed. But what we did, we actually went ahead, okay, and we printed it, zoomed it a little bit so we can show you with a great detail where those fuses are located. The auxiliary fuse, guys, okay, this is a fuse, guys, that's actually 60 amp fuse, and if you look at that row right here, that IPB+1 fuse, it's a 60 amp fuse. It's that fuse, okay, right here, guys. Okay, 1, 2, the second fuse from left to right, this fuse. You can usually see through the glass if it's burnt or not. In some cases you can't. We have a special video that explains how to replace that multi-fuse, but you will need to disconnect your car battery, and on these modern vehicles it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. Otherwise you can burn the engine, computer, electronics, modules, and that can cost you guys so much money to fix in the future. So always, guys, check it out. We'll put the link to a video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.